Good afternoon, everyone. It's Friday afternoon. It is February the 7th. And we spent this Friday pretty much in a snow globe. Flurries, light snow showers. As expected, the lion's share of the accumulating snow fell this morning. Most of the accumulation ended around 10, 11 o'clock this morning. Since then, we've been getting maybe a little dusting, a little kind of sugar coating on top of the main accumulation, but not a lot of additional accumulation through the afternoon. But truly our first true snow day of the winter season. First chance for the kids to have a snow day from school. Do a little sled riding, maybe some snowman building. So, I think the kids enjoying a 3-day weekend for sure. Thank you, by the way. I should also make mention for the pictures that you guys posted of what you're seeing outside your window this afternoon. Checking many of the photos that you sent in, observations, official weather observations. I'd say most places probably got between 3 and 4 inches of snow throughout the morning and afternoon today. Of course, there are going to be exceptions. Somebody could have got a little less, somebody a little more, but 3 to 4 inches seems like a good range across the area. And I do feel the need, I should mention this, to apologize before we get into the weather. The reason I'm apologizing is because you probably tuned in this afternoon expecting to see me standing outside in front of a PennDOT salt pile. Instead, you're tuning in and you're seeing me sitting inside next to my wife's salt shaker. I'm not standing out in front of a salt pile. Heck no, it's warmer inside. Plus, I don't know what that accomplishes. Of course we know the salt domes have salt. That's what they're there for. Anyway, I digress. Hope you're having a great Friday, as I mentioned. Today, before we get into the weather information, a number of things to talk about for today. It's National Bubblegum Day. It's National Periodic Table Day today, and National Wear Red for Women Day today. And you're saying, where's your red, Jeff? It's right there. I just got chilly, so I needed to put on a little bit of a cover-up to stay warm. So, born today, Garth Brooks, happy birthday. Ashton Kutcher, James Spader, and the Human Lightning Conductor was born on this day, a guy by the name of Roy Sullivan, who was struck by lightning 7 times in his lifetime before his passing. I think it was back in 1983. It is Friday afternoon, which means we have our Friday afternoon sponsor. Say hello to the Lisa Wilson Real Estate Team from RE/MAX Select Realty, proud partner of the Pittsburgh Steelers. You can find Lisa online at lisawilsonteam.com. Again, she's with RE/MAX Select Realty. And not only when you get Lisa to work on your behalf, but you get her entire team, which pretty much includes Lisa, who's available 24/7 for your real estate needs, buying, selling, relocating, or renting, and also one Shelly Verzella, who works on the Lisa Wilson Real Estate Team. So as you're looking or thinking about real estate, again, buying, selling, or such, you want somebody who's trusted, and let me tell you, you can trust Lisa Wilson and her team. You can reach them again online at lisawilsonteam.com or on Facebook. They have a nice Facebook page. It's Lisa Wilson Team at RE/MAX Select Realty, and when you look at the page, you'll notice that Lisa will be at an open house this Sunday from 2 to 4, a brand new listing in the Wexford area. So if you're going to be in the neighborhood, if you're looking to maybe relocate yourself or someone that you know, pass along the information. A new listing alert, open house 2 to 4 on Sunday in the Wexford area. You can check out the property before you see it in person at the Facebook page, Lisa Wilson Team at RE/MAX Select Realty. So there you go. Thank you, Lisa Wilson, for sponsoring Whiteboard Weather. Let us check out some current conditions. We'll jump right into some weather, and you can see most places are running right around 28 degrees as of late this afternoon. You have a stray 29 in there in Beaver Falls. Otherwise, 28 in Pittsburgh, Indiana, Latrobe, and Washington. Check out those winds. They're right here coming in out of the west, northwest, mostly westerly at about 12 to 15 miles an hour. So that does add a little extra bite to the air. Wind chill readings are running in the upper teens in many locations. And we're also getting a little bit of some blowing snow from what we've seen fall earlier in the day. So feels very blustery outside. Here's the way it looks outside right now on radar. As we talked about this morning, the widespread accumulating snow ended by mid to late morning, and since then we've been seeing the kind of the lighter variety, sort of hit and miss snow showers rotating in from the west and northwest. And I do think we will get some lake enhancements in some spots for a brief period, but overall with a westerly flow at the surface, that's not optimal for getting true lake enhancement. But there'll be some flakes and flurries flying about the rest of this afternoon and into this evening with little additional accumulation expected. Maybe a dusting of snow in spots. And here's what we got in terms of the latest snow reports. Now, I was checking the observation reports, and a lot of them, the last report was from like 10 or 11 o'clock this morning. The latest ones from this afternoon were from like 1 and 2 o'clock. So these are the latest updates, and there were only 3 that were more current. Punxsutawney 5.2, Moon Township, and Hopwood both right at 4 inches, and that is since midnight last night. So that's your latest snow reports, and I think probably most places are coming in right around the 4-inch mark for accumulating snow today. Let's check out the surface map, and you'll notice as of this evening, let me get you in closer here. This is the disturbance that is starting to kick now to the east. That's been responsible for enhancing the coverage and the intensity of some of the snow. As that moves away, again, things will continue to lighten up and taper off overnight tonight. Just a few flakes and flurries. Now, Saturday, I think there's going to be a good chunk of the day. Then it may not be precipitating, but there will be. This is Saturday afternoon. There's going to be sort of this weak little piece of energy that dips by to the south. Saturday evening, I think that could stir up maybe a spot of drizzle or a few flurries. Again, I don't expect much out of this. It's pretty weak, and it's just going to kind of race on through the area. But don't be surprised to see at least a little light precipitation at some point tomorrow afternoon or early tomorrow evening. And then Sunday should get a break in the action with some high pressure. I think it's still going to stay fairly cloudy, but likely no precipitation, at least not during the day. Next system in the Midwest could bring us some precipitation, some rain or snow showers Sunday night. So that is kind of the breakdown of the weekend. It's still going to be active. We're not going to get sunshine. Matter of fact, we're not getting sunshine at least for the next 5 days. So the land of eternal cloudiness will continue. And I think we'll see at least some light precipitation at some point during most days. And Sunday, the daylight period, I think, again, is precipitation free, but Sunday night, some precipitation may be around. So at least in terms of that daily chance of precipitation, that's going to be there, it looks like, for the next several days. So as we sit here today, 6 of the 7 days this month have seen some precipitation. Tack in some tomorrow at some point, some Sunday, some Monday, maybe Tuesday. So we're probably going to be sitting at 10 out of 11 days with some precipitation having fallen at some point, which is an active and relatively unpleasant weather pattern. That's why I told you back on Monday to enjoy that dry day with sunshine. That was the anomaly. Every day since has been cloudy with some precipitation, either rain or snow. And as you take a look at the whiteboard, excuse me, for the next several days, you'll see a little bit more of the same. Again, it's Friday afternoon, and we are brought to you by the Lisa Wilson Real Estate Team from RE/MAX Select Realty, online at lisawilsonteam.com. You can also find her on Facebook. She is the one to know, the one to trust for all of your real estate needs, buying, selling, relocating, or renting. Reach out to Lisa Wilson. She is waiting to hear from you. Your sunset time tonight, 5:45. Moon phase is waxing gibbous. Just an FYI, it's the full snow moon. I miswrote that. That should be snow. The full snow moon is tomorrow night, right on cue. The February full moon is the full snow moon. And then today, the snowiest day of winter so far. We had to eclipse 3 inches officially. That happened actually back in November. We had a 3-inch snowfall in one day. We've gone beyond that today. So today, so far, the snowiest day this winter. And as I mentioned, 6 of 7 days this month we've had precipitation. And we're going to stretch that to probably 10 of 11 before all is said and done, if things play out as I expect them to. Tonight, 23, brisk with clouds. A few light snow showers, little or no additional accumulation. Again, there could be a dusting in some spots, but I don't think we're going to see any significant accumulation. That is in our rear view mirror. For tomorrow, 35, cloudy, chilly. I think in the afternoon there could be a spot of drizzle or even a few flurries. Shouldn't amount to much, but we'll see a few flurries linger into tomorrow evening. 25 with lots of clouds overnight. Sunday, during the daylight period, mostly cloudy, 39. And then Sunday night, I think there could be a mix of some rain and wet snow showers. And they'll all transition to rain showers on Monday as the temperature warms to 44. 45 on Tuesday, cloudy with a few rain showers. And then Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies and 42 degrees. So it just continues to be very dreary here over the next 5 days. Those people that are watching, perhaps from locations that are enjoying sunshine, God bless you. Send some our way here in Western PA. We desperately could use some sunshine. Just another day, because it's going to be at least probably another 5 or 6 days before we even see any sunshine once again. So that is what I got for you today. You are good to go. You got all the weather information that you need to know without any hype or hysteria. The sky is not falling. We're all good. We're on the backside of this particular system. But again, brisk winds and a little snow globe action as we head into this evening, but not much additional is going to be sticking. Have yourself a great Friday evening. I will see you Monday morning, 7 a.m. Wake up, whiteboard weather. As always, please share this version of whiteboard weather with your Facebook friends. The more you share, the more people can join in. There's still a lot of people who don't know what we do here every day at 7 and 3. So the more you share, the better chance we have to reach some of the people who are not aware that they can get no hype, simply accurate forecasting. They're probably still relying on the fear casting, and that's unfortunate for them. So we want them to come here. So there you go. That'll do it. Have yourself a great Friday evening, everyone. See you on Monday. Peace.